If you're a creator, a new online business owner, chances are you are not profitable. And it's only your own fault. Why? Because it's a business, yet we oftentimes don't even see it as a business, and we definitely don't run it as a business. My first business ever with Gabe was a bikini line. It was called
Salty Weekend.
And we knew nothing about what we were doing, but that was the beauty of it. This is the best example I can give you because it's clear and simple. We would sell $100 in bikinis, right? The actual cost of goods sold would be $50. So that's like what it would cost us to actually get these bikinis. This was a drop shipping business. Then let's say we would spend $40 on ads, right? So to get the sales, we would actually spend $40. And then last but not least, we would have to factor in the $10 it would cost to do like fulfillment, admin, pay the website, all that stuff. Well, guess what? Sum that up, guess what you get? -10. And if you haven't given this a thought, it's probably happening to you too, until we learned about Profit First, a book that I actually had on my reading list for months. That was back in January 2021. So we've actually implemented this for over a year, and I can tell you how it's changed our business. Here's what you need to know. This works thanks to a system of buckets. So you have your operating expenses, owner's pay, profit, and taxes. There's 4 buckets depending on how big your business is. You can add on to that, but those are the 4 main categories. What do you have to do? Well, you find yourself a bank that doesn't have fees to open up these multiple accounts, where basically everything that comes in, you'll distribute to the different buckets. For me, the best bank was Relay Bank, an online bank that has no fees, and you can open up as many accounts as you want. You don't even have to have like a minimum balance on each one. So it works amazing to have each of these different buckets to send the money to each month. And of course, this is all detailed out in the book. So when you're reading it, make sure to send me a picture and tag me on your IG stories. Why does this system actually work? Well, you guys have probably seen that a digital business fluctuates. Whether you're a content creator or an online entrepreneur, it literally fluctuates each month. And a digital business is very different from a traditional business in the sense that our operating expenses usually aren't as high because it's online. So you don't need a physical storefront to sell, but you do hire people, you do pay websites, subscriptions, this and that. But this system, no matter what your finances look like, no matter if you have a big operating expense or maybe something on the lower end, it works for everybody because no matter what's coming in, the exact same percentage is being distributed to each bucket. So what's inside that operating expense bucket is what you use to actually run the business. What's inside the owner's pay is what you pay yourself. And if you can't operate on the percentages recommended, well, I think it's honestly time to fix that. So what does my business look like now? Honestly, guys, it's given me such a big peace of mind. Knowing that my business is running in like the recommended parameters, I know exactly how much we have in each bucket. And once you read the book, you're going to learn about the profit distribution that happens at the end of each quarter. And that's honestly the most exciting and rewarding part of implementing this financial system, knowing that no matter what you're making, you have that profit coming in each quarter, and that's like a reward. And for us as humans, having that reward just propels us to want to work harder towards our goals, meet our goals, surpass that, which not only makes us as a business owners grow, but our business by itself grows and grows and grows each time. And honestly, I think that's one thing creators really need to focus more on, actually running their brands like a business. So if that's you and you want to know more, I'll see you next week.